All right, everybody, this is BJ from the 478. I appreciate you tuning into my channel, and I would just want to give you a rundown of what I got going on today. So I decided I was going to go ahead and get me some GoPros and mount up and then take these things for a spin, but it started raining. So I went ahead and had the mounts made to where I can mount it on the back of my 21 V4s and also on my 17 GSXr 1000. And then I'll run my GoPro Hero on the front of my helmet, and then that way you can get a frontal view and a rear view. So we'll do that tomorrow, but also on this 21 V4s, I went ahead and added the Termignoni exhaust, but I did the oil change this morning and I decided I wanted to go ahead and change the map system, because what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and ordered the Termignoni 4CD exhaust. It's a full exhaust, and right about now this exhaust right here gave me upwards of 11 to 12 horsepower just on a slip-on. But I know me, I want a full exhaust, and I went ahead and ordered it. So I'll be taking this one off, but I went ahead and did my up maps and went ahead and loaded that into my computer. And then what I'll do is turn around and run this thing in race mode A, race mode B, and do a comparison, because I ran it all through the break-in period in sport mode. So I'll do that tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will clear up to where I can get some good pulls. You gotta stay tuned to my channel. I got a lot more content coming. I'm gonna load these things up with nothing but VP 110 racing fuel. That's all I put in these motorcycles. I'm not pulling up at the pump for nothing. So I'm running that in these motorcycles. You gotta stay tuned to my channel. I got a lot more content. I'm BJ from the 478. Stay tuned. Thank you.